डिजी लॉकर. सो डिजी लॉकर क्या है इसको देखते हैं. सो रिसेंटली क्या हुआ, the result of one of the boards came out, and this result was available on DigiLocker, and this option was also available that if you want to save your mark sheet, it will be saved in the DigiLocker itself. ठीक है. DigiLocker is an application that was launched under the Digital India mission of the government, and it was launched way back in 2015. The main task here is that you need to save your important papers here. So if you want to save your Aadhaar card, you can save here. You want to save your PAN card, you can save in this location. And if you want to save your mark sheets, you can save those mark sheets here. This is the government operated, government supported platform, so it is safe. Means they are not going to share or they are not going to sell your information. ठीक है. The app has 270 million users and nearly 6.7 billion documents are already uploaded. ठीक है. The best thing about this application is it is not a private person app. It is not an open source app. This app is owned by Government of India, and therefore we can say that some sort of trust can be there in this application. So 1,000 students across the country rush to their computers to check their board exam results. Many of them now have the option of viewing their scores and even obtaining their verified mark sheets through the Indian government DigiLocker platform. ठीक है. Now they have this facility that they can see the result. They want to save their mark sheet, even that is also possible. But it was given to CISCE board. Right now it is given to CISCE board and State Board of Tamil Nadu. But they are saying that very soon it will be launched for other boards too, and even for CBSE board it will be launched. This facility will be launched. So probably for the pilot purposes, a smaller board is selected. But yes, once it proves to be a, you can say, successful exercise, it will be open for other records too. What is DigiLocker and who uses it? It's a platform, जैसे बताया, launched in 2015 and App Store पे it is available. The app can be used when applying for a passport, reviewing mark sheet. तो आपने देखा होगा कई बार कि whenever you are applying for, let's say you want to open a bank account, वहाँ पर भी कई बार क्या होता है कि they ask for your Aadhaar card, they ask for your PAN card, and then they have this feature that if this Aadhaar card or PAN card is available in the DigiLocker, they say कि okay, you can log into the DigiLocker and then the app will communicate with the DigiLocker and they are going to verify the information. ठीक है. So app क्या करती है? Let's say you're opening a bank account, app will directly read these documents from DigiLocker. They are going to verify it and then bank account will be opened. ठीक है. Similarly, if you want to open the Demat account, वहां पर भी क्या होता है? They ask for the documents. If you have the documents in DigiLocker, they are going to read the document. अब ये करा क्यों जा रहा है? Main task is Digital India, which means we want to cut out the papers. अगर आप देखें, मुझे अच्छे से याद है कि in the service in 2019 in my office I implemented e-office. ठीक है. Under the same mission, Digital India mission. Then transfer हुआ. In the second office also, वहाँ पर भी office नहीं था. Even there also, I introduced the e-office there. The main task was कि entire file process should happen online. अगर फाइल एक डिपार्टमेंट से दूसरे में भी जा रही है, it should not be the hard copy file, it should be the online file. ठीक है. So that time also a lot of changes were happening in the, you can say, offices in various ministries. In our ministry also, this change happened. ठीक है. The main task was कि we should eliminate the need of using the papers. ठीक है. But हाँ, शुरू में तो क्या होता है, इट इज अ पैरेलल एक्सरसाइज, हार्ड कॉपी भी रहेगी, ऑनलाइन भी रहेगा, बट ऑफ कोर्स ग्रेजुअली वी आर गोइंग टू कट आउट द पेपर्स फॉर शो. ठीक है. मेन टास्क क्या है यहाँ पर, दैट वी शुड बी मूविंग ऑनलाइन, डिजिटल मैकेनिज्म शुड बी देयर. डिजिलॉकर इज अ पेपरलेस सॉल्यूशन meant to ensure that a user can access the latest and updated version of their documents online in order to prove their identity and their credentials at any given moment. To the verifying official, this helps in keeping at bay, क्योंकि कई बार क्या होता है कि when we talk about the hard copy, it is very easy to create like fake hard copies in the Photoshop or in the similar other devices. So fake copies, poor quality papers are there जिसमें nothing is readable. So when these copies are produced, then it is very difficult to pass such copies. But if we have this digital mechanism, it doesn't matter whether the paper is 50 years old. Let's say if you have your mark sheet today in DigiLocker, even after 50 years, do you think that it will be degraded? No, there will be no degradation because it is in the digital form. Even after 50 years, you will be able to see the same quality of mark sheet. ठीक है. तो ये सब चीज़ों के लिए इसे लेकर आया गया. But how secure is DigiLocker? DigiLocker is a flagship initiative of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. गवर्नमेंट का है, गवर्नमेंट अप्रूव्ड एप्लीकेशन है, इनकी वेबसाइट भी है, डिजिलॉकर टाइज इनटू डिजिटल इंडिया विजन एरियाज ऑफ प्रोवाइडिंग सिटीजन अ सिक्योर डॉक्यूमेंट। यहाँ पे एसएसएल एनक्रिप्शन जो वेबसाइट्स में होती है, एसएसएल एनक्रिप्शन वो इसके अंदर है, तभी आपको जब भी देखेंगे तो HTTP एक होता है ना HTTP, लेकिन एक होता है HTTPS, ये सिक्योरिटी के लिए। सो यू विल फाइंड दैट SSL encryption is there, so HTTPS will be there. Verification happens with the help of OTP, so if you want to log in here, OTP आपको देना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। However, problem is whenever we talk about government data is a very lucrative place for hackers. Hackers हमेशा ट्राई करते हैं, जैसे कुछ महीने पहले एम्स का डेटा भी जो था हैक हुआ था, सर्वर हैक हुआ था। सो हैकर्स दे कीप ऑन सेइंग कि कहाँ पर गवर्नमेंट का डेटा है, बिकॉज दे आर एबल टू सेल दिस डेटा on deep web at a higher prices, ठीक है। So it is an attractive target for hackers who steal user data and they can sell the same on dark web पे इसे बेच सकते हैं, लेकिन they are saying कि the kind of mechanism that we have, the kind of security that we have created, that is top notch and therefore they will not be able to steal this data, ठीक है। People who are not used to smartphones or those find it difficult to navigate apps, उनको प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, because they are saying कि देखो जब भी हम किसी भी चीज़ की बात करेंगे, एंड दिस इज हाउ यू आर सपोज टू स्टडी द टॉपिक्स, कोई भी टॉपिक हमने पढ़ा, इंट्रोडक्शन पढ़ा उसका हमने, ठीक है, उसके प्लस माइनस जरूर पढ़िएगा, एंड देन कंक्लूजन, ठीक है। सो दिस इज लाइक IPS जो पहले भी बताया था, इंट्रोडक्शन, प्रॉब्लम्स एंड सॉल्यूशन, इस तरीके से पढ़ सकते हैं। सो यहाँ पर व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट ऑफ डिजिलॉकर, दैट पेपरलेस हो जाएगा, इट इज गोइंग टू टेक लेस टाइम, इवन द ओल्ड कॉपीज विल रिमेन द न्यू कॉपीज, fake certificates will not be there, so ease will be there. If you're traveling from location A to location B and you are not carrying your Aadhaar card, you're not carrying your you're not carrying your mark sheets, even still you'll be able to use all these documents to get your tasks done, ठीक है। But the problem is the hacking incidences can happen at the same time. यहाँ पर क्या लिखा है, the people who are not well versed with technology, they will find it difficult, because देखो you are the new generation, you find it very easy to use these application, but not everyone is well versed with these applications, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर उनको प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, those who can't read, they are also at the disadvantage, ठीक है। ये भी कहा गया कि let's say if there is a person with multiple names, कुछ लोगों के होते हैं मल्टीपल नेम्स, एलियासेस, कई बार नाम में भी गलती होती है, तो वहाँ पर ये प्रॉब्लम करेगा, बिकॉज देन सिंस द नेम मिसमैच विल हैपन, द सर्टिफिकेट विल नॉट बी सेव्ड, ठीक है। तो कुछ कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स इसके अंदर भी हैं जो हमें दूर करनी है। अब क्वेश्चन आता है, डू आई नीड डिजिलॉकर इन ऑर्डर टू गेट अ न्यू पासपोर्ट? द हिंदू यहाँ पे जो न्यूज़पेपर में आया हुआ था, दे रीच द पासपोर्ट सेवा Kendra, and they said, the officer there said, no, it's not mandatory. If you want to use it, you can. If you don't want to use it, you want to give your hard copies, even that is allowed. But हमने क्या देखा यहाँ पे, even in Hindu analysis also it was mentioned कि we have seen a very different kind of practice in various location. जैसे कुछ cases में क्या होता है, some people ask only for DigiLocker documents. Some people say DigiLocker and hard copy दोनों चलेगा. Some people say कि hard copy is required, but we will also verify from the DigiLocker. So they are saying कि practices are different, which should not be there. So you should provide this, you can say, opportunity to the civilians or the citizens कि whether they have the DigiLocker or hard copy, anything will do. Don't say both are required. You have to convert and into or. When you say DigiLocker and hard copy, it will create difficulty for the people, because you created DigiLocker so that hard copy should not be required. But when you are saying DigiLocker भी चाहिए और hard copy भी चाहिए, it will not serve the purpose. You should rather say DigiLocker or hard copy, whatever you have, you can provide the same. ठीक है. So the practice is not, you can say, uniform in government departments. That is an issue with this this application DigiLocker, and that is something which needs to be reformed. ठीक है.